Butterscotch is ridiculous. Butterscotch.
Oh no! She was after my feet.
Beep beep. Come here, Cara-Mau. Come on. Don't run. Okay, but don't run.
Like I have to.
I don't want her to get under your feet if you run.
Don't worry, I always get up on my thing, my little perch.
It's funny. Butterscotch is purring him. Butterscotch, what is she doing? All right, now settle down.
This is my perch from
She's like, hey, no fair. I can't climb this stuff. All right, anybody want to play?
She does that every time.
What you doing? Are you sizing me up?
Circle dance.
Whoa.
Was she doing the circle dance?
No, she was going to arch her back and come at me sideways. What, Butterscotch? What? Are you getting playful? You seem too relaxed to be playful. Whoa, here she comes.
Hi, Cara-Mau.
Butterscotch is like, no, I'm not in the mood to play. I'm totally snuggly right now. Wrapped up in a knot. He's so funny.
He looks like a furry, fluffy ball.
He's really funny.
He looks like one of those furry balls.
He's funny, yeah.
What I mean is...
Look, she's trying to get you. She's like, wait, I'm going to play. We're not playing. We were petting him. She's trying to... I'll clean him up. He smells like food. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, she was trying to get him to play, I guess. He doesn't feel like it, Cara-Mau.
Well, he was doing this with no...
Look at... Said, where'd you go? Look at them murder mittens.
And she...
Look at them murder mittens.
Hey, guys, she is a fluffy hockey puck.
She is now officially fluffy hockey puck size. That's what we call kittens of her size, because the big cats are like, they accept them at this size, usually, like after knowing them this long, and they're kind of the right size for them to smack around like a furry hockey puck to play keep away.
Butterscotch is...
Look at those murder mittens. Good Lord.
Butterscotch is the size of a football.
More like a Nerf football.